Let's just find the court. Say hi. I'm making daily, stuff, vlogs. It's just for memories, Okay, ngayon lang ulit tayo nakapag-bike, mga boy. Let's go. Yeah, we're going to Boss. I'm not sure kung may football field doon sa Boss, pero para medyo may konting ride naman tayo. Minsan lang to with the boys. Slowly, slowly. Go, go. Straight. Go, straight. Follow me, guys. Para tayong tour guide ngayon, no? Right, right. Alright. Alan, tell me if I'm too fast. Ang hirap din pag ikaw yung nag-guide sa kanila. Syempre, kailangan. Although safe naman dito, mga amigos. Pero mas maganda pa rin kung makikita mo sila. Wala kasi ako side mirror, kaya napapagod ako lumingon. Go, let's go, let's go. Ito na, rotonda. Medyo challenging to. Come on. One more, one more. Okay. Bilis na ito. Kite, Nolan. Good, good. Right. Good, good. Go, go. Go, go. Just straight. Yeah. Just straight. You see those trees? Just straight. Back for the bikes. Clear. Okay, left. Good job. Good job. Di ko alam kung kutso. Good job. Pressure brakes, Nolan. Akala ko dudulas eh. Now this is pataas. Go, go. Push, push, push. Go, push. Then left. Alright. Nandito na tayo sa Boss. 10 minutes ride din. Pwede na rin. Pang warm up. Let's roam around. Let's find the court. Which way? Which way? Which way?
Heads or tails?
Always on the right. Right? Always on the right. Let's go. On the right. Come on. Woo! For sure, madami nagpi-picnic dito ngayon. Ang ganda rin po spot doon, no? You see that spot? Under the tree? Really nice spot. No, no, I will be faster. I'm faster. I'm faster. No, 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 no. I'm faster. I'm faster. I'm faster. Don't worry, I will wait for you.